Guess what? Your deductible, don't even worry about it. I got you covered. How y'all doing, guys? This is Robert from Bison Roofing. If this is your first time to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Give those thumbs up on these videos. We make these educational videos, information provided to you as a homeowner to better understand your roof. So in today's video, I want to talk about something that I've heard along the way, and it is a nightmare for homeowners. And that is, roofing company told me I don't have to worry about my deductible. That is a red flag. That is illegal to do. And most importantly, it's gonna cost you a lot of money along the way. So it is a law, HB 2102. That's a law here in Texas where the homeowner is responsible and required to pay the deductible to the roofing contracting business. Please abide by the laws and by the rules. You as a homeowner and make an insurance claim must pay the deductible to the roofing contractor that's going to be doing the job. Second, as I mentioned earlier, who do you pay it to? Again, that is the roofing contractor. So the most important thing is it's basically like a down payment. So let's make the math real easy. If your roof costs $15,000 and your deductible is $1,000, your insurance company is only going to send you $14,000, and you as a homeowner are responsible for that remaining $1,000 to be paid to the contractor, the roofing contractor business that's doing the job. So now I'm going to talk about what happens when you don't pay your deductible to the roofing contractor. There will be a paperwork problem. When it comes to doing your roof, there's always a paper trail. So for the insurance to release the final payment, which is the recoverable depreciation check, they need paperwork stating that you have gone with the contractor, that you have completed the job and paid your deductible to the contractor, and then providing a certificate of completion to the insurance company. If that certificate of completion is not submitted to the insurance, they will not distribute the remaining recoverable depreciation check. It is highly important. Back then, you will get a first check, the second check will be the deposit, the deductible, and then your final check, your recoverable depreciation check, will be when the project is complete. So there is no lump sum check anymore. So I highly, highly recommend when you get a salesman, a roofing business salesman that comes to your door and knocks on that door and tells you, we can do an inspection, don't worry, we handle everything through the insurance, and most importantly, we can help waive off your deductible. Stop it right there. Tell them no thank you for the offer, but that is a major red flag. Please look out for that. In Texas, HB 2102 is the law where you have to pay your deductible, okay? So I can't stress that enough. Please look out for these companies that say that they will waive it off, because it is not a good look for them. It's not a hassle-free road that you think it is. That is insurance fraud waiting to happen, and it's not gonna be a walk in the park when it comes to that. So if you like the material you heard, hit that subscribe button, give a thumbs up on this video. Again, your support helps us create more videos, information to provide for you as the homeowner to better understand your roof. So I'm Robert with Bison Roofing. Guys, we'll see you on the next video. Y'all take care.